Discover the early math possibilities with the Kaplan-exclusive nature-inspired Abacus. Here are some great exercises you can do with your 3-year-old students. A great start is color sorting and patterning. Ask the child to move all the green beads to one side. What about the blue beads? Can they build a pattern with the beads? Like 2, 1, 2. Sorting and patterning can strengthen fine motor and critical thinking skills. Introduce numbers with simple one-to-one correspondence. Say a number and have the child slide that many beads over. It's great for counting practice. Use a set of cards, shuffle them, display a card, and have the child show the number on the abacus. This reinforces visual number recognition and sharpens hand-eye coordination. It is crucial to demonstrate place value on the abacus in order to move on to more advanced math. Explain that each row of beads represents a numbers place. The first row is the ones place. The second row is the tens place, then hundreds, then thousands, and so on. Ready to introduce addition and subtraction to 4- and 5-year-olds? The abacus makes it visual, hands-on, and fun. Start with simple addition and subtraction. Ask, how much is 2 plus 3? Demonstrate moving 2 beads, then 3 beads, 1, 2, 3, to join them. Ask, how many beads are there now? They'll see 2 plus 3 equals 5 right in front of them. For subtraction, do the same with taking away beads. What is 5 minus, or take away, 2? How many beads do you have left? 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now you're ready to try more complex addition problems. To add 5 plus 10, we start with the largest number first. So we will slide over 1 bead for the tens row. This represents 10. Then to add 5, slide over 5 of the ones beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, to find the answer, have the child start counting at the tens bead, 10, then count from there the ones beads. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you're ready for even more complex addition problems. Let's add 28 plus 22 together. Here we have the biggest number first, 28. So 2 beads on our tens row and 8 beads on the ones row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we add 2 beads on the ones row. 1, 2, which makes these 10. So we trade this group, sliding the ones back for 1 tens bead, which we add to our tens row. So now we have 10, 20, 30. And we add the last of our second number, which was 20. So then we add the last of our second number, the 20 that remains, in 2 tens beads. 10, 20. Now, count the resulting number to reveal your answer. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The answer is 50. For subtraction, simply do the reverse, remembering to regroup as necessary. For 30 minus 28, we would show 3 tens, and then we're going to take away 1 10 bead and trade it in for a group of 10 ones. We're going to subtract the 8 ones from our 28 number, and that leaves us with 2 ones. Then we subtract the 20 that was left over from our original 28 number from the tens row, leaving 0 tens. And now, the only number that remains are these ones. Let's count them. 1, 2. So 30 minus 28 equals 2. The abacus is not just an exceptionally rewarding sensory experience. It also gives children a visual representation of abstract math concepts, helping to cement foundational math skills like counting, place values, addition, and subtraction. It also enhances fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. To learn more about enhancing early childhood math skills, visit the Learning Center at kaplanco.com.